decided to show you how I press my inseam. First, I usually press it flat. So I place my pants on my ironing board, and I do have my settings on the cotton, so I might lower it a little bit because my fabric is polyester. And what I want to do, I just want to use a light steam first and then press it like for 3-4 seconds each segment. Okay, the first one is done. So then I move into the second leg and see if I proceed and iron it to the one side, I will definitely get these waves visible. So to prevent it, you need to do the pressing flat first. That's what I'm doing right now. And try to align. So I might stretch this seam a little bit when I was serging. Okay, but you will see how it goes away once I steam it. And see, my motion is, see, I move my arm towards one direction. I'm not playing with my iron like this in the circle movement. No. So what I want to achieve, a straight line. And see, can you see the difference? Yes, I just want to see what is on there. Okay, see how better it is right now, even with just light steaming. And it really helps me later when I put my seam allowance toward one side. Good. Now let's press it to one side, and I usually press it toward the back side. It just makes sense to me. I heard a different strategy, like you can press it to either side, but I just like to stick with one strategy. So, and to do so, I'm not, okay, let me move it a little bit further so you can see it in my camera. Okay, a little bit more, like so, okay. And I'm going to use my homemade tailor hem. It is flat. I would say it's like a 1 inch, 1.5 inch thickness. I made it out of heavy coat fabric, wool inside, and I made a cover on the top. So I've been using it for years and it's still in good shape. Why I like to use this one instead of, let me reach, okay, instead of this one, can you see the thickness and can you see the length? So that's why I really like to use this one. So let's do it. I'm going to stick it into my leg. Okay. So here it is. It's inside. And okay, this is my front and this is my back. So I'm going to press it toward the back. I use my fingers to place it exactly in the middle, not precisely, but mostly in the middle of my hem, of my tailor hem. And once again, I wanted to use some steam, and I do have my Teflon sheet on it, so Teflon foot on it, not a sheet. I'm not going to use my Teflon pressing cloth right now because I've already tested. The fabric is actually really well while I'm pressing. Okay, I just want to press this little piece on my hand. Good. Okay, can you see the difference? See how flat it is? You don't need to hold your iron for such a long time. Just like 5-6 seconds. And I use a light steam, just a little bit. Okay. What I would recommend, if you want, if you have this cloth, the tailor cloth, you can put it on the top of your pressed seam. Do not press too much because most likely you'll get impression of your seam on the right side. So just slightly, I would say like a medium pressure. Okay. It helps. It made out of wood, so that's why it absorbs the moisture. Okay. And then move a little bit further. And try to keep your seam in the middle of your tailor hem. Once you've done one leg, you can get your tailor hem to the other leg and just repeat the process. Okay, this is my front, this is my back. Now let's turn it over. Let's turn it right side out. Okay, this is my front. I love those pleats. Okay, and let's see, this is my out seam, my side seam. This is my side seam, and this is my inseam. Okay. Okay, nice and flat. So I'm really satisfied, and this is my seam. Awesome. Good job. So now it's time to add a waistband. Let's do it.